flying umbrellas and sushi storm. In Japan, the rain didn't fall, it attacked. Winds whooshed like anime villains, flipping cars and tempers alike. Trees collapsed like overworked office workers, while water pipes exploded as if they'd just lost an argument. One grandma's umbrella flew off, took a tourist with it, and they're now trending in South Korea. People slipped, slid, and soared. One guy went out for ramen, ended up paragliding to Hokkaido. Streets looked like a swimming pool for lost vending machines. Authorities warned, stay indoors, unless you have wings or a jetpack. Or both. Nature sequel, Tokyo Drift, Monsoon Edition.
자, 한번 보도록 하겠습니다.